Merry Christmas, everyone. I bought myself a Christmas present. This is the Orucase Sentinel. It is my new travel bike bag. I was in the market for a bike bag because I was sick and tired of mine unpacking and repacking my bike. Things getting broken on it. And I have a lot of travel coming up. I started a new job. And I'll be going to California, Arizona, and potentially other places in the United States. Plus, I have a trip to Miami coming up. And where else? Going to Tucson, Las Vegas. And so I wanted to make sure I had a really nice bike bag for my bike so I could bring my Madone and tarmac and not have to worry and cry when it arrives inevitably broken. So this is a little unboxing. I'm going to do a long-term review after I do a bit of travel with it and tell you guys how it did. This bag is normally $975, which is, you know, a shitload of money. Got it on sale, $700 on the Black Friday sale, and we're just going to do an unboxing. So the reason why this bag really interested me was it comes with an aluminum built-in roll cage. It's in blue, which is kind of cool. And so I like the idea that basically it creates a box around your bike and everything else. So here's the first piece, really light. It's really nicely packaged. And so what we'll do is, unboxings are such weird little videos. Here's what it looks like right now. And we're just going to pull it out and try to set this thing up. And you guys hopefully will have some trainer content. We have these two, what appears to be the end pieces. We have a lot of little bits. I think this is the different ones for different through axle standards. So we'll leave that to the side, this little small pile. We have two little straps. We got stickers. Cycling is not a crime. Fantastic. Already in love with this company. This thing shipped from Las Vegas. It was no tax, free shipping. So that was really cool. I live in Chicago, so I was assuming I'd have to pay like $70 of tax, which is a lot. But there was no tax. I'm actually at my mom's house right now. Here is the mount for the axles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more straps. This thing is really well packaged. It said it was built in Vietnam. Orucase shipped from Nevada. I ordered it last week. It got delivered. FedEx would have delivered it yesterday. I saw the FedEx guy drive by my house and then my mom's house, and then just kept on driving. Kind of ignored me. We got some more aluminum pieces here. Oops, that's the wrong side. I might have to speed up this video, or maybe not. Maybe I just post the whole raw edit, and you psychos can watch me open this. Like the blue, these are really nice. These are solid aluminum. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. This thing has a good warranty. I actually got the saddlebag too for Christmas. So excited to try that as well. But why did I go with this one and all the other ones on the market? The roll cage, I already said that. I think the other ones just had poor reviews, and this only had good reviews, except so one person said that the actual fabric is a little soft. But I like the way this one can break down. You don't have to take off your handlebars, because I have arrow handlebars on my Madone, and I have strip bolts on my tarmac. So here's the empty box. This thing shipped at 37 pounds. The case supposedly weighs only 28. Which is good because my Madone weighs 18 and you don't want to be over 50 pounds. And that was another reason I didn't go with a hard case, was I don't want to pay the expensive luggage fees. In the US, 50 pounds, which is about 22 kilos, I think, is max. And then overseas, it's like 70 pounds. So, first touch, this fabric is pretty light, surprisingly. It definitely feels waterproof. It feels kind of tough, but I can definitely see why some reviews said that you need to patch it after a while. So again, Orucase Sentinel. It's a really good size. It is slightly wider than your cheapest bags, like your Merlin Cycle ones, the one that come out of China, easy. Here we go. So this is cool. This kind of shows how it's going to look and wrap around. Not sure what this piece does. We'll have to figure that out. Wheel bags. These were not included online. That's really nifty. It comes with wheel bag. Here's one of them. Here's two of them. I would say they are good enough, especially they're a little bit bigger than your average like road race wheel bag. Yeah, these are just your nice average wheel bags. I'd say probably 1/2 centimeter of foam, solid plastic. We got a little bag, which is nifty to throw in wheel pieces or what have you. So that's good to know. Glad that came with it. Okay, here's something interesting. So there's this panel, which I'm not sure what it does or where it goes. Really solid. It feels like almost like rubber, like solid rubber. Really flexible. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Here's the instructions. So here's the roll cage. Here's the bag. That's your wheels go on the side. Has a nice QR code. Travel light, ride free. Step 1, mount your bicycle. I think it means mount it inside. Don't get on your bike. You can probably see me now. Insert roll cage. So you build it around your bike first. Pack the wheels. Scan to watch packing video. Cool. Thank you, Orucase. What does this go on? Let's figure that out. It's probably why they say, Oop, don't fall. What else is in here? Okay, we got another hard case, which is quite large. I mean, you can see I'm 5'10", and this there's this blue zipper all the way around. So I think the blue zipper actually goes in. Here we go. Are we still recording? Cool, we are. So you can see the blue zippers match up. So there's one blue zipper, another blue zipper. Here's the Orucase. So this is like really nice, like solid plastic. Not a fan that all the end caps were loose. Gotta find all of them. That's kind of frustrating. Got some O2 packers. It's in the garbage. Here's where the edge of the handlebar protector, which I'm missing the other one. It's gotta be somewhere around here. But those were kind of loose. This thing is packed really well, except all that stuff was just loosey-goosey in here. See, I'm still finding the freaking... whatever. Okay, so looking in here, and there's no light. There we go. This is really solid, lots of rivets. So this is the rear wheel, liking the way that looks. Sorry, front pivot wheels, spinny wheels. This feels nice and solid, nice and light, nothing too crazy. Here are the rear wheels, nice solid protector. Drop my phone. The color is just like millennial gray, heather. Oh, here's the other one, good. It's like Velcroed, interesting. And then here's the rear. So let's try to build this. This is gonna go here. That was pretty funny. The air pressure just popped it off. All right, let's make sure we have all of these. So we have 7 cables, a sticker, the crossbar, all the different fork and rear axle mounts, 3 lengthwise, 2 ends, 2 of the fork and rear mounts. We have 2 hard cases, we have 2 wheel cases, and then the actual contraption itself, which is really cool because the whole thing sits like a foot tall, so it could fit in like a closet, which is interesting design. I'm really kind of liking this, but this part's pretty light. But unfortunately, I have a call I have to go get to, so we'll be right back. And we're back. I had to do a quick work call. So we're going to build this thing real quick. So let's start with this. There we go. And then this goes like that. Okay. Haha! We have great success. Just kind of goes between here. Maybe I shouldn't align it first. There we go. Okay, and then this. There we go. And there's the frame. That's pretty cool. Doesn't weigh too much. one thing I'm noticing obviously is the case kind of pivots to the right. So your bike would go in here, you put your handlebars here. So this is going to be the front of the case. What does this go to? This feels like make your own adventure, but like hardware. Okay, I think it goes like this. Here's the zipper. Aha! We have the technology. Oh, that's a nice zipper though. Okay. So here's the hard side. Ooh, that fits really nice. That's really nice. Oh, no worries. Look at that. What I can't figure out is where in the hell does this go? So if you're still here, and I don't know how long this video is going to be, here's what the final case looks like. We have these really nice wings that are expandable and collapse. We have, I think there's 8 handles. The actual grips, these feel like they're metal. They got this nice silicone texture. In fact, I just scraped it like a dumbass. Actually, there's maybe some goo on there. It's all good. Really nice grip. Feels solid. We got pretty good stitching. This material feels like a snowboard jacket. That's what I can best describe it as. It's very low key. We got a nice heavy handle here. Nice heavy duty handle. We got one side, one grasper here, one here, matching on the right side, and then this back handle. So the whole thing, and this is on like carpet, moves around super smooth. So we'll give it a quick little turn-a-rooney. Super smooth. And then this handle to carry it like this. You know what? I wish this handle was down here. I wish there was one more handle right there. Because then you could just grab it and get a little bit higher. Which I find these ones that are really low not as comfortable. Like if you're like a really short person, like this would be annoying. Like this is designed for someone that's like 5'10". Anyways, those are my slippers. But yeah, solid stuff. Just got to figure out what those do. The wheel bags. Got all these straps and shenanigans. And thanks so much for joining. If you're still here, you're either Connor watching this on Zwift with Leo in the corner, or you're curious about this case. And so I'll come out with some actual reviews and catch me in Miami with this thing. Thanks. Bye.